In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Debutify theme on your Shopify store. If you're looking to boost the visual appeal of your online business and improve customer experience, the Debutify theme offers a clean, professional look that can make all the difference. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into this together. First things first, log into your Shopify admin panel. If you're new to Shopify, don't worry, this is simply where you'll manage all aspects of your store, from design to inventory. Once inside, navigate to the Online Store section located on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking this will take you to the Themes page, which is essentially your playground for customizing the look and feel of your store. Now, to install the Debutify theme, you'll need to visit the Debutify website to download the theme files. It's a straightforward process. Head over to the Debutify homepage, and they usually have a clear download button right at the top or somewhere easily accessible on their main page. Follow their prompts to download the theme file onto your computer. Once you've got the theme file, it's time to upload it to Shopify. Return to your Shopify admin and look at the top right corner of the themes page for a button labeled Upload Theme. Clicking this will open a pop-up window, allowing you to select the file you just downloaded. Simply find that Debutify file on your computer and upload it. Don't worry, this step takes just a few moments. After the upload is complete, you should see the Debutify theme appear under the Themes section on your admin page. But remember, it's not active yet. To actually activate Debutify and make it the new face of your store, all you need to do is click on the Actions drop-down menu next to the theme, then select Publish. A quick click there, and voila, the theme is now live. With the Debutify theme fully installed, it's customization time. Click the Customize button next to your theme on the admin page. You'll now enter the theme editor, a powerful tool where you can adjust everything from colors to your homepage layout. Don't rush this part. Take the time to explore each section, adjusting the style to match your brand's identity. And there you have it. With Debutify set up, your Shopify store has a fresh new look that should entice customers and enhance their shopping experience. Remember, a visually appealing store can significantly impact customer satisfaction and sales, so you've taken an important step forward for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more how-tos and tips designed to take your e-commerce game to the next level.